Shelly and I went early to clean the car, north car and south car, and pick up trash around the station. Then we have wonderful lunch at the Taco Sensations. Then we came down to the Moulton Falls station to decorate for the Horseless Man Halloween run. It was so fun. And I got to ride in the speeder for the first time. Okay, finally get to ride in the speeder. Look. Say it again?
This one. Shuts
Okay,
it off.
gotcha. Whoa, let's do this. Woohoo! They did. Nice.
They just gotta haul some of it out, that's all.
Yeah, okay. So he's just going backward. And there's waterfalls over there. It's so beautiful and peaceful here. Oh, gorgeous. Oh. Here comes. Here he comes. He has to turn the speeder around. I know. So from these, we all work together, more or less. Depends on the back. My back didn't enjoy it, but everyone were amazing. Oh my God, it was painful. We stacked the wood under the seats around the station, and these were left. Look at this. We did good.
Is that it? Yes.